In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Elementor website for different responsive screen sizes. First thing you need to do is to head over to elementor.com and create an account by clicking onto this Get Started right here or Get Started right here. So head over and create an account. Once you do, you can head over and then just locate the account from there. So in here, I already have my WordPress. We will use WordPress to host our Elementor. To do it, click onto this Get Started option. And then from in there, you can head over and then get started. Now you can also create an account, or if you already have an account, head over and log in. I already have an account on both of them, so let me just head over and log in. Here is my WordPress site. So in this, we just need to configure this website for different responsive screens. So for example, head over to the page that you have for Elementor. So from in there, I have in here this About Us created by Elementor. Click onto this Edit with Elementor option right here. Into this part, you can see in here this screen sizes. As of right now, we're currently into the actual web page option or desktop option. If you click on it, it will be on tablet portrait, and from in there, it will be on mobile portrait. So this is what it would look like. So in order to configure your website to be responsive, what you can do is you can just edit this depending on the screen sizes. So as you can see right here on desktop, we have in here this GIF and under that is the text. But when we head over to our mobile portrait, the two will interlap. So what we can do is we can head over and edit them ourselves by clicking onto this and then adjusting their position in order to not interlap with each other. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.